Hey YouTube, this is Ram98872, and before you say anything like, "Oh, why is the quality on this video so bad? I thought this was about HD cameras." Well, it's because I'm using my camera that I've had since '05, so please bear with me as I do this unboxing video. So in today's video, I will be unboxing and testing the Canon PowerShot Elph 110 HS. I got this camera at Best Buy, and I did get the bundle. So the bundle from Best Buy comes with this nice case for your camera, this SD card. I was trying to look for the 16GB one, but I guess Best Buy ran out of those bundles. The bundle also comes with this extra battery, and lastly, it comes with this camera. So as we open this box, we are greeted with what I think to be is the warranty. A CD, I guess that's for the software. Manuals, no one really reads that. The box is pretty simple, I guess. It comes with a battery charger, a USB cable, a lanyard to hold your camera, the battery, and last but not least, let me open this slowly for your suspense. The camera. So this is it, guys. This is the camera. The Canon PowerShot Elph 110 HS. That's a very long name. It's very light and compact. You can fit it in your pocket. It's as big as a phone. I'm not really going to get into the specs, but I am going to show you around the camera. I really like the black texture that they used to make it look a little bit more professional. Let's go to the back. You got your screen here, your record button, navigation buttons, play button, menu button. You guys know what this is. The on and off button, and this is a switch to change from auto mode to manual mode so you could access more features on the camera. And oh crap, I already have fingerprints on it. That's not good. I'll clean it up later. So anyways, this is the camera. You got your USB and oops, I hope I don't break this. This HDMI, USB HDMI. For your camera mount, battery goes in there and SD card goes in here. And that's pretty much it for the camera. It's a really simple camera. So I'm going to show you guys a little perspective of how thin it is and how long it is. So here you go. You guys are actually going to get a little treat today because this Archon bike camera mount just arrived, so I'm going to go test my Canon on this. So I'm now using my new camera. We're going to do a video test now on my bike, and the bike I'm going to use is my sexy, as always, Windsor Wellington 2.0. So let's go ride.